#RespectYesterday. This is part of our campaign. We are using this hashtag on pieces of furniture that have a history or a story to tell. Many times we throw pieces of furniture that we deem old, tired, ugly, and we don't see what can be done, what can be achieved. And that usually involves a little bit of creativity and also a lot of patience. When we're talking about respect of furniture, we're talking about who built it, the period that it was manufactured. For example, we have a lot of post-war furniture that we're throwing away all the time because we think that it's not valuable and perhaps it doesn't sell, but we don't think about upcycling it. And the history of that furniture is that after the Second World War, there was a lack of material to work with, so our carpenters did what they could do by doing this style of furniture. So that's part of its history. The story might tell a lot of other things about where it was in the house, who used it. That's a very interesting way to look at old furniture. And that is basically why we use the hashtag #RespectYesterday. So please share your old, reloved pieces of furniture and hashtag your pieces with this #RespectYesterday. Thank you.